Cool. Welcome back to the live stream. So people, welcome back to the live stream. To another day of trading. As you already know, these are the 5 pairs we're going to be looking at for today. You can see gold. Remember what I spoke about gold yesterday? I did say I would like to hold it to this price level, and look, 124 pips. I wish I actually held it, but because we had the loss and the break even, I just wanted to leave that day with a win. Trust me, you just have to leave the day on a positive note. But it was good. It was a good trade to hold. See, 122 pips. So if you did catch that move, well done. If you didn't, unlucky. So what's now for gold? So how did the daily candlestick close quite bullish? But since London session, during the Asian session, London session, we've had this bearish movement happen. It's been quite bearish. You can see the market's been pushing towards the downsides, you see. So New York sessions just started as well. So will we get a push towards the upside on between the New York session, which is quite interesting. So we need to get rid of that resistance level here. That. Cool. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So yet again, gold has found support level at this 4-hour. Rejecting that support level on that 4-hour support. So let's go on the 5 minutes. So now, if I'm looking to buy gold now, cool. I'll be honest with you, this is a nice candlestick reversal pattern to actually, if you're looking to buy gold now. It's not in my trading plan to buy from there, but like I said, we had the break, yeah. You see that break? It's not quite a solid break, but 3/4 of the candles is closed well below. But the only problem is that this candlestick hasn't closed properly. Apologies, one sec. Let me just tweet out that I'm live. I'm just gonna tweet it out. Apologies, one sec. Let me just tweet out that I'm live. Oh my gosh, that shouldn't even be. What is going on? Apologies about that, people. Cool. Cool. All right, cool. All right, that tweet's out. So now for gold, this kind of stick makes it interesting. See, so what we're gonna wait for is a break above highs or a break above low. This lows, but yeah, this is actually. You know what? I'm gonna take this trade on my other account. So this is not. Remember, I've got 5 accounts. So there's one that I'm trade very aggressive and one that I don't really trade that aggressive. So I'm gonna take this trade. I'm gonna go for a buy on gold now. Remember, don't take this trade. This is don't take this on your personal account. If you've got another account that you like to trade, the aggressive one, I would say you trade it on your aggressive account. Because I don't believe we might have it's only because we've had rejection of that support level. So we're going to hold that. What price we're going to close this at? 325. That looks good. I remember this is just on my aggressive account. If it loses, it loses. It is what it is. It's not their main one. Actually, you know what? Let me close it. Let me just. I'm going to come out of this trade because you know what? Because I'm trading live, I'm just going to show you that how I actually trade properly. But look, I do believe price will probably come up here. If you was to take this trade, you can take this trade now. Put your stop loss around 2324. Quite good. So that can actually play out. But I would like the break below. All right, cool. So come out of that trade, close it, break even. Cool. So that's one side that can happen now. That's what could actually happen. So now it's a waiting game. Let's see if we're going to get a break below, and with this candlestick close below. So now we've got to adjust. Now I would want this candlestick to close below that this support level before I even look to take a sell on that. Or if price comes back up, then we look to take the buy. So cool. So that is the waiting game on gold. But overall, gold is in a downtrend though. 100% in a downtrend. All right, cool. So gold is a waiting game. Let's look at US 30 now. All right, so how did yesterday daily candlestick close? What's going on? All right, so we are quite far from that daily support level. Let's look on the 4 hour. Cool. Still below our 200 EMA, which is right. So we got support on the 4 hour time frame. You can see on the 4 hour price is pushing towards the downside. So what would we want here? So cool. US 30 is literally a waiting game. So US 30 would do, I say more like to take it on the 15-hour time frame. So we just gotta wait for a price. Cool. We had a rejection. That's not bad actually. Cool. So that's US 30. If we move on to oil, look at that trade yesterday. Remember I spoke about this break. This looked actually quite good to take. Missed out on all of those pips, man. Actually a good move. The break was here. Why is it? So that's. Is it really? Why has it changed to thousands? They've traded. So that's saying that's like probably a 300 pip move for real, is it? Oh wow, it is. That was a 300 pip move yesterday. Wow. Is it? Oh, probably was 20. Oh, it was. Wow. All right, so when it broke that level, that's actually crazy. To actually even miss out on that was actually crazy. All right, for oil right now, trending towards the downside. So let's look at that lit daily. Look at that nice breakout. For oil. Oil's been trending down for the last 2 years. Don't know. I need to do my research on it. If I'll be honest with you. Like that break beyond that daily support, look, that nice breakout. So that's been broken. What's next for oil is actually crazy. It's trending, definitely trending down. So we're only gonna want to be looking out for like sales on Oh, apologies about that. I didn't realize my connection went there. Yeah. So what I was saying with gold, when the market, gold. I keep saying gold. I mean with oil. What am I talking about? So if we can get a break above, then we'll look for the buys on oil. We'll take a buy on oil if we get a break above that highs. If we get a break above those highs, then we look to go. Fortunately, we've had a break above the high already. Price has dropped back down. That's actually worrying. So, cool. So if that same scenario here happens here, so basically, if we get the same scenario like that, we're gonna have to sell because we can actually here can get the break, but the problem is this. So if we can get this same scenario here, then I'll look. If we get exactly that bearish candlestick form, then we look to take the sell and ride that down. So that's a scenario I'm hoping for on oil. Get the false breakout above these highs, and if it clears back below it, then look for the sell. So I will take the buy. Remember, if it breaks it at highs, I'm going to take the buy. But if it hits my stop loss and close back down below the highs, then we look for the sell. So remember, that is a scenario on oil. GPP, JPY. So look, your AD and GPP, JPY. I'm looking for swing trades. Yeah, the yen was weak. You know what? The yen was very weak. I need to clear this all up. Except for the major. Should we get rid of it? Yeah, let's just get rid of everything. 22 joints. Let's have a clean chart. All right, so this is trending up, 100% trending up. We've had a pullback on GPP, JPY. Is it the end of the pullback? I'm not quite sure yet. Even though we're in a new month as well, let's look at the new month. That's a hammer formed. So that we can still, price can still push up. So let's go on a 4-hour now. Oh, right. So we're coming back down towards our 200 EMA. Can we get in for a buy on GPP, JPY? Probably would want price to close. See, it's awkward now. I don't see any nice structure to get in for a buy on GPP, JPY. Can we find support? That was the last daily support. Let's just say that was that last daily resistant level. Yeah, remember? Had that daily with price rejected. Literally, price rejected that daily level. And look, it is now price rejected. Remember, price on the daily time rejected that this price level here. And then it broke it. And what's happening now? It looked like it is now holding as our support level. So remember, when you break your resistant level, it will now normally what happens, it will hold as resistant level. Right, apologies, sir. I needed to go toilet. So right, I was saying for GPP, JPY, we've had this break of that resistant level. Now price has come back down to retest it, and it looked like it is now holding as a form of support level. Look, lined up quite perfectly. So when did we get a buy? When did we get in for a buy on GPP, JPY? For you to get in for a buy on GPP, JPY, we would want price to actually break above that candlestick, close above that 4-hour candlestick. For me personally, what time frame should you take it on? I would say probably the hour. Take it on the 1-hour time frame if it breaks above this price level here. Yeah, cool. So that's GBP JPY. If it doesn't, honestly, if this closes like that on a 4-hour time frame, this can actually quite close, quite bullish. If it closed quite bullish, that is a strong like dragonfly doji, and that would be crazy. Look, just jumping for the buys if you see that. But yeah, this is holding quite good. Let's go into UAD. Oh my gosh, we've had the right, cool. Perfect on UAD. Let me just check on gold. What's gold doing? See, I knew it. Gold is not. All right, just remember we're trading. These live sessions are more to trade gold, but I'll just show you look other pairs that I look at and what I see. So I'll just quit that. But like, yeah. See, if I was trading aggressive, this look like this wants to shoot up, if I'll be honest with you. Yeah. What's that? That's like 70 pips. That's not bad. Look, if you want to trade aggressive, get into this trade right now. I'm not in this trade. I just gave you a trade scenario, but you are risking around 34 pips. But like I said, I do believe looking on the daily. For some reason, I feel like gold wants to touch this daily support level, honestly. Because if we get, like I said before, I did anticipate this break before. We didn't get it last week. But if we do get it this week, like literally, if the daily candlestick closes below that support level, just ride it all the way down to the next support level on gold. Like literally, just look for sells and ride it all the way down. I just feel like if it breaks out, because remember, we've been stuck in this range 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Almost like 2 weeks now, we've been stuck in this little range, this daily range, which is quite good for gold. Yeah. Sorry, people. I know I'm just running backwards and forwards through pairs, but yeah, it's a live forex trading session. I'm just trying to anticipate what's going on. Cool. So let's go back to GBP JPY. What I was saying before. No, Euro AED. Sorry. Right, Euro AED looks good. Like, oh my gosh. So just a minute ago, it was like a shooting star. It's good that price is back at this resistance. Oh my gosh. We've actually missed this trade. We missed this trade. Fuck. Whoops, sorry about my language. We've actually missed this trade. Oh, we missed this trade. By how many pips? 15 pips. All right, cool. If you want to get in, you are risking a lot, though. Is it a lot? No, it's not that bad. I'll say. You're risking around 44 pips to get in Euro AED right now. That's a nice swing trade to take. Because I'm not going to lie to you. It is trending down. So you can actually take this trade now, which is Euro AED, which is quite good. So really, I need to open up another account as well because I need to find an aggressive account, where another prop firm where I can do some aggressive trades with. So my actual main account, I literally just trade gold with it like that. It's just all gold. Yeah, so we missed this. This happened at 11 o'clock. Quite interesting. I showed my eye on that. All right, cool. So with your AED, just want to wait to see how this 4-hour candlestick closes. Because if it closes quite bearish as a shooting star, then yeah, we probably look to hold that. See, it's only 83 pips compared to gold. Yeah, probably gonna wait quite a while for that. But yeah, that's like 83 pip move. That's not bad. Cool. All right, so that's your AED. That's the setup on your AED. We missed the initial first trade. But even now, you probably could get in for this for a sell now because it's going to close as one of those. Always get it mixed up, evening or morning stars. All right, let's look at gold. All right, cool. So remember, we're waiting for the break. This trade's not really on, but it's just there. So what I'm looking for, I'm looking for the break below that lows. So we can get a closure below that lows, then yeah, we're looking to hold this bit. Will gold push all the way down to that price level though? So what we are looking at. So those so looking at almost like 400 pips. Who thinks gold will actually, once it breaks that support level, will we have that kind of drop? Can we get that kind of drop? It's happened before. We've had those kind of daily candlesticks drop like that before. So look, there's one here. Wow, so with that candlestick, that's almost a 500 pip move in one day. That's not bad. I like this one here. They do happen, those kind of drops, you can see. Wow, that's even more. 600 pip move, that's not bad. Then follow through the next day. That's almost, wow, 1,000 pip move in 2 days. That's not bad. So gold can actually, it depends. So yeah, cool. We're just going to keep our eye on that. All right, so people, yeah, gold is just a waiting game, waiting for the break below that level. Let me get rid of this as well because he hasn't. Just don't want to confuse you lot with that trade, but we are waiting for the break. Cool. One thing with reversal as well, when you are this just touched the 4-hour support, so I do think that price does want to push back up. It's looking like it, but also at the same time we've got to anticipate the break as well. So yeah, all right, cool. Yeah, we're just gonna wait, see how gold plays out, and yeah, we just gotta wait for the trade to come to us. So yeah, people we're just waiting game. All right, cool. We're just gonna wait and watch this trade. All right, cool. We're back. We're back. All right, so very good. Very. Remember what I said about gold? Funny enough, I did say it before this move happened. Yeah, this move is kicked off. So, I where is it? Can I pull it back? Oh, it's not gonna happen now, is it? Is it gonna come back? Nah, it's not. All right, cool. Let me just go all the way back. All right, so we've got this nice so put my phone aside. So we've got this nice bullish move on gold. Literally, if remember I said I was on my account, I'm gonna take that aggressive trade. So we bought from here. So if you remember, I did say look 35 stop loss. Now this trade's literally running at 40 pips. I got this on my aggressive account. This is just got to take. You know what? People got to get in this trade now. All right, so gold is ready to. I'm buying gold right now. Crazy, it's crazy. We bought gold right now. I'm actually gonna buy again on my aggressive account as well. Oh my gosh, this move's actually happening without me. What's alpha? Oh, cool. Yeah. All right, so we just bought gold. Wicked. All right, so remember we had that one position there. Sorry, people. I'm literally just trying to put bought. So I'm buying gold now, literally. And that AED CAD trade's going good as well. I can see. Let's go buy gold again. And we're good to go. All right, so we've had the break above those highs. The only problem is now I just don't like the way this candlestick has broken. So this trade could even go against us as well. That's the problem. But hopefully price is looking to make its way back up. Where could we see price going to? That's the worst thing. So we need to take a one-to-one on this first of all. First thing is we just need to get our one-to-one out of the way. So I bought gold. People remember I've just bought gold. 328. So we're looking at 42 pips. So it's a lot of pips, man. All right, 3285 is where I'm gonna it's 2328500. That's gonna be my stop loss on gold. Yeah, so we're gonna do a one-to-one. So that's gonna be around. So around 37 pips. Cool. We're risking on gold. Funny enough. Cool. So let me just sort this out now. Normal trades. Protect. 3 2 3 2 3. I keep saying 3 2. 23285. Yeah, that's around 37 pips. Cool. Modified protection done. All right, let's see how this trade works out, people. Yeah, it's a waiting game right now. I'll be honest with you. Literally waiting game right now. All right, let's just wait. Oh, wow, gold is moving crazy. 23, 28. So remember, I've got like 5 accounts, honestly. So I'm just trying to do all my stop loss and all of them. Cool. Hopefully we can get a 1-to-1 on this. This will be live. If we can get a nice 1-to-1, we're good. It's actually quite good. That's me done for the day. Oh wow. Cool. Alright, so I haven't fixed that properly. Alright, cool. So let's see how this trade plays out. This has got a lot of. Will it even touch back up there though? Alright, let's see how this trade plays out. Alright, cool. So people, that's it. We're in on gold. Let's see what US 30 is saying. I'm not saying much. Oil was actually saying something here. Oil could actually look to trade back up as well. PJPY not saying nothing. Yeah, so this could actually close quite good. So this Euro AD trade looked like starting to play out. Back to gold. Yeah. Gold's just a waiting game. Oh, that closed nice. Hopefully people can close up with 37 pips profit. Would be good, you know. Literally get in the day like this, would be good. Just a waiting game, people. So apologies. Yeah, talk to me if you want. Leave a comment. But yeah, oh my gosh, I haven't even just. How can I forget to put my banner up? All right, bought gold. So our stop loss is at. You can see I'm all new to this, isn't it? All right, we're 15 pips in profit so far, which is okay. Hopefully this can. I've seen gold. Listen, been 30 pips in profit and seen gold just come back and hit my TP or even break even. Like, it's crazy. So 2328. Wow, this stop loss. We had this stop loss yesterday, and our take profit is up to. Would you believe that? 233640. Cool. Alright, so yeah, people, I've bought gold, bought it live, literally right there. We're good to go. Hopefully this can play out. Also bought. I forget, I've also sold Euro AED as well. Alright, cool. So that's that Euro AED trade. We did miss around 10 pips on that trade, caught it late, but that's due to me streaming late, but so I had my eyes on this pair literally. Alright, cool. It's no biggie, but you know it goes. Gold. Hopefully this can play out. I don't need that closing anything like a shooting star. Only my problem is, yeah, it's wicking. It needs to break this area here as well. This area as well. See, price is rejecting. I just need it to break through that area. This is not looking good because if we start getting some pullbacks, it's not gonna be nice. Hopefully this can try and make some lows and then start to make highs. Make a lower high and then shoot out to make a higher high. But we don't want it closing like a shooting star, and that's what I don't want. Cool. Now this is the problem. Yikes, 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 yikes. See this happen all the time. So the next two candlesticks are going to be quite interesting. For gold, let me see what it's saying on the 1 hour. On the 1 hour, it is saying it's rejected though. Thing is, if you hold it up here, it's another 120 pips. Does gold even want to act like that? So, all right, cool. All right, this candlestick is interesting. This candlestick might make or break us. Literally, all right, cool. So let me run you through this trade. We're gonna have problems here. So what's gonna happen if price does reject off of this line? Then it's good. Then it's found support. If price can find support along this line, then we should be okay for this trade. But if it starts to break below, get ready for it to hit your TP. But the most, like I said, if this trade was here, was very safe. So even that here, that's still like 65 pips. That's still a good trade. On my other account, I trade aggressively, what we caught from here, which is quite good. All right, cool. Yeah, this is a waiting game. If, like I said, these highs are, which is bugging me. I'm not gonna lie. So now what gold could do is reject that, break back below here, and try to come now and retest that support level to break. But like I said, if you get a break below that support, then I'm in for the sell. But like I said, we've got trading. I've got a trading rule, and you have to trade like a bot. That's when your trade set up, come into it, just place your trade. Forget emotions, stick to the rules and place it. That's all I can say. All right, cool. So we're gonna let this trade run then. Yeah. I'll let this trade run, people, and I'll see you in a bit. Cool. I'm back. So wonderful. What do I need to say? TP hit. Literally 37 pips. You saw it. Live trading session. We're done for today. Literally, this is how I trade every day, people. I just look for that one trade, and yeah, just do one-to-ones and just submit. Listen, I'll just be happy what the market gives me. I'm not even trying to hold for that 128 pips. 22 pips, I should say. So literally done the one-to-one. Market is failing to break above that resistant level. So we're all good. But I do believe, honestly, I can see the market coming up to here, if I'll be honest with you. On my aggressive account, I do need to actually close some trades because I'm up quite a bit on my other accounts. Yeah, so the first trade that I took, remember, I took this trade here. So we're up like 73 pips on that trade. So that, remember, that's the first trade we took. So we can actually, your AED ain't even moving as well. Actually good to go, you know. Alright, so yeah, we're actually good to go. Oh, my phone, apologies. So yeah, that trade's done. That worked out pretty much nice. Should I hold? So this stop loss. So I've got let me not confuse this. So my main account, we've done a one-to-one, we're good. We've closed out with 37 pips profit. I've got my aggressive account, which is this trade here is literally currently 75 pips up, and I haven't closed out this trade on my aggressive. So what I'm gonna do, I'm actually gonna hold one of these trades to the 124 area. 100 for 124 pips. So people, let me look at other pairs. What's going on with these other pairs? US 30 is moving towards the outside, is moving quite nice. Look at US oil. I didn't even take this trade. I just put it out to see. And I think with oil, it's a bit tricky. I'm still finding my way with oil. So look, this is the downtrend. Downtrend is literally trending pretty much strong. So if we get a break below that support level, then look for sales on oil. Moving GPP, JPY. Remember, I spoke to you. We need a close up above that 4 hour, that little bit, just above that 4 hour candlestick. So that 4 hour candlestick just closed. Price fell to even close below that support level, which was our previous daily resistance level. Look at on a 1 hour. Look at that. I think that's evening star we got here. No, morning star. That's actually played out. This might look to reverse and start trending up for GPP, JPY. Euro AD trade. How did that 4 hour? Perfect. Exactly how I wanted it to close as a shooting star. So what's next now for Euro AED to start dropping? Hopefully this will start dropping as well. So that is just a recap of all the 5 trades are my opinions, what I see on those 5 pairs. Going back to gold, yeah, gold worked out pretty much today. You lot saw it, live trade worked out pretty fine, which is quite good. And look, now we just had this candlestick close above that resistance level. Wow, you know what? You could even get in again. If you could even get in again and go. But yeah, so literally, that's gold. Done today, live stream. One trade, one win. Done. 37 pips, and that's it. So people, I hope you enjoy the stream. I'm going to be back again at 12:30. Remember, I'm going to be streaming every day. I won't be streaming this Friday or Thursday because I'm going away Thursday and I come back Tuesday morning. So I'm going to try to get back to the stream on Tuesday morning. But yeah, you got me tomorrow. That'll be my last day before I go away. I'm not going to trade Friday anyway because NFP this Friday. So I won't be trading Friday. So you'll probably see me back Tuesday morning. Tuesday afternoon, I should say. So peace out, people. Hope this live trading session helped you just a way to see how I trade in the market. And I'll see you in the next one. Actually, look, it's crazy. You know what? Apologies. I keep doing this. You know what? Let me just recap it. So right, look, right, so gold. Literally, I forgot to even change the screen. All right, cool. So gold, you can see we fit our TP on gold. That's it right there. So people, pretty much simple trade. 37 pips done and dusted. So just that is a recap of my gold trade. And price look like it wants to come back down, but yeah, that is just a quick recap of my gold trade. In and out, 37 pips, and that's it, man. So peace out. I see you the same time tomorrow. Remember, don't forget to catch me. Join me at 12:30 p.m. London GMT time. And that's it, man. Peace out, and I'll see you in the next one.